Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 30 July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. The Delhi government approved the Lakshmi Yojana, under which eligible women will receive 2,500 rupees per month as financial assistance. India and China will resume border trade through the historic Nathu La Pass in Sikkim from August 1, 2026, ending a 6-year suspension that began during the COVID-19 pandemic.
International news. The Indian Embassy in Ukraine said the safety of Indian seafarers is its highest priority after recent attacks on ships in the Black Sea and advised them to remain cautious. Today, the UN is observing the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons to raise awareness about preventing human trafficking and protecting victims.
Karnataka State News. The IMD has forecast heavy rainfall across several parts of Karnataka until 30 July, with safety advisories issued for coastal and Malnad districts.
Sports news. India won 2 more silver medals at the Commonwealth Games, as Gulveer Singh finished second in the men's 10,000 meter and Harjinder Kaur won silver in women's weightlifting.
Thought of the day. Small deeds done are better than great deeds planned. Peter Marshall. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.